Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign. Messages for Aries. Under the deck, the Hermit, maybe you're dealing with Virgo or you're dealing with Taurus here. Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, and Six of Swords. I think you are in some confusion right now, Aries. Maybe you want to move towards calm water, or you want to move from some situation here. Uh, right now you are in some confusion, and there is some offer is coming in your way. For some it could be a small offer, and for some it could be a person offering apology. Definitely you are in some confusion, or for some you have options here, Aries. But in my way it is confusion. So you are going through some transformation here, and you are isolated from all and taking care of yourself. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Hermit. I think marriage could be the issue here, or marriage is involved. Mm, or commitment or stability issues. You love this person very honestly, but they do love you. Yes, it's mutual, but they are not offering stability or commitment. That's why you are trying to take control of the situation, or you want to take your power back. You are trying to take your power back in recent past. Then present, Two of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands. So when you're trying to take your power back, maybe they are now want to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles with the Knight of Wands, they again want to work on this relationship. Again they are coming to offer their cup of love to you and ready to work on this relationship. And in your career wise, definitely you are doing very well. You're putting your money on different businesses. I think your money is very good, but in relationship wise there are some issues here, because future King of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Nine of Swords. Still you love this person and you want Ten of Cups happiness, but it is not happening the way you want. That's why you are in this energy, or in future you will be in this energy like anxiety, depression, Nine of Swords. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Four of Cups. I think Nine of Wands. Your person is missing you. Definitely they're missing you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Yeah. Under the deck, Two of Pentacles. The Star, maybe you're dealing with Aquarius, the World, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here, the Chariot. I think your person is juggling. Definitely they are stuck, they're juggling, they have no clarity. That's why you are in nine of swords energy, because you want stability, you want commitment, but they are not giving it to you. They keep putting you on waiting, waiting, waiting. There is some waiting game is going here. Yeah, they're wishing, they're hoping, but they're saying one thing, but they're doing another things. So words and actions are not matching. Definitely, they are trying to balance things in their life, and right now your person is juggling here. So their current feelings, Five of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and Hanged Man. So they are feeling sad for what is happening right now in this relationship, but they're taking their time. Still, they're taking their time because maybe other person involved in this relationship, maybe they have options, but they're feeling sad here and they're stuck. Definitely, they are stuck, and their intentions, Nine of Wands, Eight of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. Maybe they walked away in this relationship in past, if now they are feeling regret, or for some they want to leave behind everything and want a fresh new start with you. That's why they're going to be communicate with you. Or for some, still they want to leave this relationship, but they want to communicate with you, they want to convey their message. Here two cases, because Nine of Wands is here, they're guarded up. Yes, right now your person is guarded up, but they don't want to be in a like bad, they don't want to be become a bad person. That's why they want to give you a message, or they want to convey a message to you, what is happening in their life, why they walked away, why they want to walk away. They want to give you a clarification to you, what I'm getting here. That's why they want to communicate with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, Ten of Swords and Five of Swords. Definitely it is one type of ending, lot of heavy energy, and yeah. King of Pentacles with Four of Cups. Yes, there is no stability issues, and yeah, it is one painful ending here, and they backstabbed on you, maybe cheated on you, lied to you. That's why maybe they want to walk away, because they don't deserve you. Judgment with, yeah, you are in defensive mode, you are protecting yourself and you're protecting your emotions. Now you are on your power, Aries. Yes, for some you decided to cut off this person from your life, you are getting clarity. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yes, very stubborn energy is here. You going through some transformation. This person is also very powerful and independent person, but now they're ready to offer stability, but now you are taking your power back. Yes, because they broke your trust. Now you don't want to give another chance, because you've gone through a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Sorry guys, for lots of you it is one type of ending between you and your person. Yeah, I am not seeing any like solid moment between you and your person. Age difference, for some you both have age difference. Long distance relationship and mask are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. Have faith in your dreams, waxing moon. So if you're dreaming about something big in your life, first you have to believe your faith, believe your dreams, sorry. And under the deck, don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. So don't show your attitude or pride to anyone. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. Leo or Cancer especially, or Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.